an old man. Yeah. Yeah, the pencil. An old man and his granddaughter came walking down the country road. ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ କି ଆଚ୍ଛା old man and granddaughter. Let's rest a minute here, said the old man to his granddaughter. So he said, let's rest a minute here. ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ବସିଲେ as they approached a palmyra tree, ଗୋଟେ tree ତଳେ ହେଲା ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲେ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ ମାନେ ପାଖେଇଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଟ୍ରି ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲେ ସେଇଠି ସେ କହିଲେ ଆମେ ବସିବା ହେଲା ଅନ୍ ଏ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ହିଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ ହିଲ୍ ଉପରେ ସେ ଟ୍ରିଟା ହେଲା ସେଇଠି ସେ ବସିଲେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ହି sat down beside the road and took a mango from the basket and beat into it ହେଲା ହେଲା ସିଏ କଣ କଲା ଦେଖ so he sat down beside the road ମାନେ road କଡ଼ରେ ହେଲା and took a mango from the basket ରୁ ଗୋଟେ mango ବାହାର କଲା and beat into it ତାକୁ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲା beat କାହାର past tense bite କାହାର ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ the girl took a mango too girl ବି ଗୋଟେ mango ନେଲା ନାଇଁ he pointed to the palmyra tree off on the hill see that palmyra tree ସେ କହିଲା palmyra tree ଟା ଦେଖ and the way there is a wide deep to the ground as if a giant rock had fallen there okay ସେ କହିଲା ट्री टा देखे and the way और रास्ता टा देखे and the way there is a wide deep to the ground okay and the way there is a wide deep to the ground okay so गोटे रास्ता रे गोटे deep थिला गोटे गात भलिया हला the ground as if the giant rock had fallen there se goji the giant rock se jindi podi chi ye asked se seta pacharla yes that tree has been there forever said the girl se girl कहला ए ट्री टा बहुत दिन हला अछि हो कि नहीं अंडरस्टूड सो जेमिति गोटे जियांट रॉक पड़ी से सेमिति हला देखा जाउची हला बुझबो एंड द वे देयर इज ए वाइड डीप टू द ग्राउंड अच्छा ओके no there was another tree there a long time ago an elephant had to wait beside it a very long time okay सेठी गोटे एलिफेंट वेट करे हैला you know have you heard this one before बुझबो से कहला कि लोकटा the man began his tale आरंभ कला how it happened la once there was an old elephant tamer who came to live here se roya ko astila la after his retirement se ko circus re करथला है एलिफेंट टेमर से ये आसिक रहा कौटे ये जगह है रहा चाहिए हाँ बुझीपार एलिफेंट टेमर गोटे लोकटे his name was Vela Panikar and his wife's name was Aryatha. So Vela Panikar was the best elephant tamer in the kingdom. है से राज्य he could tame any elephant because he was very brave and patient. है तार पेशेंस थिला धैर्य थिला हाँ he built a house beside this road it was a house तैयारी कला a mile from here it गोटे mile दूर and lived a peaceful life है भल रहा gardening his wife okay gardening his wife माने gardening with his wife माने से कहला जे ए जगह रे रहिला एवं से चाषबास भी कला है गार्डनिंग विथ हिज वाइफ है चाष भी कला वन मॉर्निंग भेला पनिकर आर्य खाई हर्ड ए टेरिबल क्रैश लाइक थंडर है गोटे थंडर भाया गोटे घड़घड़ी भाया शब्द शुणा है पीपल स्क्रीमिंग एंड देन अनदर क्रैश है कौन शब्द people screaming पार्टी करते and another crash आ गोटे शब्द है and more screaming है आहरी बहुत शब्द ओके एक जहाँ पार्टी शुणिए मैं एपटू पठेदेवी बुलिक हाँ एक to come here. Ready? No, wait. Okay. गोटे शब्द सुनले नहीं कि and more screaming the sounds were coming from across the paddy field है धान बिल रू आसला साउंड गुड़ा and Vela Panikar ran out to see what had happened कौन है देखला it was a giant elephant on the far side of the field है the big elephant it had knocked down okay दीजी है a small house गोटे house step okay दीसे भांगी गिरी सुंदर बाड़े गिरी है a small house and crashed away chased away तोड़ीची chased away several farmers who ran splashing into the paddy field से माने कौन कले ना डेई डुआंगरी पळेले पैडी फील्ड हैला तांको तड्डीची गसिकी हैला एउडा स्प्लैशिंग माने कादो छिटकारे दौड़छन हैला देयर ऑक्सन वेयर रनिंग टू ऑक्सर प्लूरल हैला ऑक्सन हैला हाउलिंग to hauling plows behind them oxen करो पछरे अछि कोन प्लाव भी लागि सेटा भी धरकी से चलले हैला in anger the elephant turned towards a nearby tree और ट्री आडू वाला बुझ परछो and ran forward at a full speed जोरे दौड़ी smashing into it तापर धक्का हला The elephant stood there motionless. तो धक्का है गला, ये जो छिड़ा है गला से, है ना, and started to push against the tree until the tree bent back. Tree टा ये है गला, कौन है गला? Bend है गला, bend रो past tense, bent suddenly and fell over. पड़ी पहला, है ना? Its root torn out. रूट भी बाहरी वाला है विजिबल ऑफ द ग्राउंड अच्छा वेलापानिकर watched all this he had never seen an elephant do that before है coming to his senses तो तापर से टिके भाबिला है Coming to his senses, he turned and walked over to the tool shed and pulled out a rope. Okay, say walked over to the tool shed. ହେଲା हाँ सेठ जो शेड बनीची छोटिया शेड जोटा जो सब रखा रखी करती सेठ की pulled out है सेठू कौन आनला pulled out a rope and went out into the field. Eto gala field. Rope got dharke. As he began to run, a thought came to him. So bhabila. Kono? A thought he had never had before. Bhabila. Kono? Perhaps this elephant is the one I cannot tame. So bhabila je mu etaku pali paribini. Hala? Huh? He stopped and turned back. The grandfather interrupted himself and took a bite of his mango. Grandfather तो एक गप्पटा कहूतला से एटू टिके मैंगो टा खाइला. He chewed for some time. एटू टिके खाइला किस समय खाइला ब्रेक हैं तापर पुणी गप्प कहला कौन An untamed elephant which attacks people for no reason, such as this one did, a elephant जोटा कला, is a rogue elephant. So a untamed elephant is a rogue elephant, एटा दुष्टटा, है ना? He said slowly, है ना? As you know, a rogue elephant is very dangerous. है impossible to tame. ताको पोसा मने हबनी. And in those days, an elephant tamer who failed to subdue a rogue elephant in less than 30 days was killed. है सेतेबेले कौन होतला ना गोटे एलिफेंट टेमर जे कि माने को वश करिवारे काहू से हाथी को हैं सबड्यू रॉग एलिफेंट इन लेस देन 30 डेज ये 30 डेज भीतर ताको पाली पारिबनी ताको मार दिया होला sure enough a few days later the king sent this message हैला ताको पठेले कौन पठेले वेलापानिकर catch this rogue elephant at once you have 1 month हैला तब तक दिया तामाने एटा पठेले से तो फेरी आस्थिला अच्छा वेलापानिकर remembered how the elephant had failed that tree से केमी जेडा को भांगी देथिला गळे देथिला and how his confidence had fallen away से केमी दी डरी गला ता कॉन्फिडेंस जो थिला ता साहस केमी भांगी गला हैला हैं away from him at the sight बुझबो ना से देखि कि डरी जाइथिला हैला साइट माने से दृश्य रे हैला अच्छा he went into the bedroom and then lay down यही सोई पड़ा हैला गड़िला लेटा कार past tense lie रो कार lie lay बुझबो lie lay लेन so he felt weak अच्छा 3 weeks later the king's messages came again and asked Velapanigar had asked if he had tamed the elephant. से पोषा बन साइलानी कि नहीं तो पचरा आर्य हाथी made him at the door. अच्छा my husband has a से ताको आर्य हाथी कहला का गई लोकटा हला मेसेंजर जे आसीची चिट्ठी नहीं कि बुझिया को से कल्याण ना नहीं हला बुझिबेलो से कहला my husband has fallen ill. He said please find someone else to catch this elephant. से कहला आओ जने बुझो but messenger would not listen. से सुन लेन he shook his head and repeated the king's order. से कहला तू करिबु नले मरिबु हला Aryabhati went over to Velapanigar, who was lying sick in bed. She was worried that he might be dying. Morijo boli se bhabilani, hela, hela. She might be dying, died, hela, died. Okay, dying. She realized something had to be done. Kichhi kariyako habo. I will try to catch this elephant. Hela, she thought. Se nije कहला मुंह धरबी. So after dusk, बुझबेलो नहीं. After dusk माने अंधार वाला परे. She went to the shed. She गला and took the rope. दौड़ी धइला and put it over her shoulder. हरी गला हला. Then he went quietly out the front gate. हला हरी गला. The grandfather stood up. स्वयं को डाकी तुम ये आसिक धरी कर ये कर परीक्षा तो दौर ये कर कोटे गला कुआड़े गला. Aryabhati went over to the Velapanigar, who was lying sick in bed. She was worried that he might be dying. She realized something had to be done. किछि करिबाकू हबो. I will try to catch the elephant, she thought. So after dusk, she went to the shed and took the rope and put it over her shoulder. कांधे रखिला रोप टाकू कांधेला. Put it over her shoulder. कांधेला. Then she went quietly out. The front gate. Okay. The grandfather stood up. It कपड़ा कहूतला. पता he stood up. छिड़ाला. Stretched his legs. Again leg टाकू एमती सीधा कला. Stretch कला. Stretched. And pointed down the road with the half-eaten mango. हला मैंगो टा धरिकरी हाथ रे से याडे पॉइंट कला. कौन कहला देखेला. Pointed down माने देखेला. It was here on this very same road हला that Aryabhati walked along. हला यही रास्ता से हला Aryabhati walked till she reached a small pond. देखिए गोटे pond पाखरे पहुंचला. There were hoof prints of a deer, water buffalo near the pond. So deer माने सेठी की आछंती, water buffalo आछंती, पाद चिन्ह अच्छी and among them were enormous round elephant footprints. ता छड़ा तांको भीतर भी थिला among them were enormous round elephant footprints. हैला round footprints भी थे पाद चिन्ह pressed deep into the muddy slope. हैला टिके deep रहिथिबो टिके भीतर को पसी थाए. She was sure the elephant would come back that night to drink water. Se कहला तो आसीबो से elephant आउ. She waited, her heart beating fast. अच्छा. Eventually dawn arrived. Dawn माने सकाळु बॉडी सकाळु arrived. Arihati had stayed awake. से काहेकि रहता है all night कितना and they now stood up slowly and they turned to go back home. जाऊ जीवा को बाहर चला नहीं कि the sand on the road was bright pink. हैला सूर्यंकर किरण पड़ुलानी सब सकाळ हो गलानी. In the morning light, soft and cool under her feet, and she almost fell asleep as he walked. ଯେମିତି ବାହାରିଲା ସେମିତି ତାକୁ ବି ନିଦ ଲାଗିଲାଣି ହେଲା. But a mile from home, the rock elephant suddenly appeared. ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଯାଇଛି ଯାଉଛି ଖଣ୍ଡେ ବାଟ ତା ଘରଠୁ ଗୋଟେ ମାଇଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମାଇଲ ସେ rock elephant ଆସିଲା. It was standing only 100 yards away. पूरा पाखरे थिला. Its huge ears waving in the air like heavy carpets. ला बड़ बड़ एमती कार्पेट भया एमती वेव करुछि. ओके. Its giant feet shifting, stirring up the dust पूरा गाड़ुछि. Before Arihati could move, it trumpeted and charged towards her. ताड़ को दौड़ी आइला. बुझिपारछ? The road began to shake. हैला ताड़ को अटैक कला. Charged towards her. The road began to shake under Arihati's feet. हैला ता पाद तळ पूरा ताको थरिलाणी हैला. But she stood there, छिड़ाला, हैला planted to the ground, पूरा सीधा ला ground रे पूरा हैला सीधा ही रहला. She thought of Bhela Panikar, and even though she was afraid for both their lives, हैला she still couldn't move. Move करता. She felt she had nowhere to run. How could she and she could only stare at the terrible image of this charging elephant. खाली ताको अनेक रहिला. बुझिपाइल? The elephant was only 50 feet away. केते जमा 50 feet अछि. Arihati still did not move. Her legs, seemed to be fixed like trees to the earth. पूरा गच्छ भलिया छिड़ा हैछि. काहा पाटी सुबुजी रणनीतिटा okay. The elephant was right here. She began to remember all the things she loved, and it felt visible as if her memories came rushing up to her through roots in the soil. ତେଣୁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ, she began to remember all the things she loved. ସେ ଯାହା ଯାହା ଦୁନିଆରେ ଭଲ ପାଏ, ଯାହା ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ତାକୁ ସେ ସେଟା ମନେ ପକାଏ. She was about to cry out, କାନ୍ଦିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା. About to cry, କାନ୍ଦିବାକୁ just ଯାଉଥିଲା. But then in the same moment, ହେଲା ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ହେଲା, she made herself take a step forward. ସେ ଗୋଟେ step ନେଲା ଆଗକୁ, ହେଲା. With enormous effort, she lifted her arm. ତା ନିଜ arm ବି ସେ ଉଠେଇଲା. And held open her hands and showed the rope to the elephant. ये rope टाକୁ से ଦେଖେଇଲା, ହେଲା. She closed her eyes, hoping to communicate her sorrow somehow. ହେଲା, ସେ communicate କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା, ଜଣେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା କଣ ତାର sorrow, ଦୁଃଖ. ତେଣୁ ସେ all of a sudden the wild elephant stopped. ये ରହିଗଲା. It came close to Aryahati, its face only inches away from hers. ହେଲା, पूरा ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲା. She opened her eyes and the elephant was there. Elephant एଠି छिड़ा है, staring at her. They both stood still, not sure what would happen next. Elephant किसी करूनी कि ladies टा किसी करूनी, हैला. Aryahati slowly raised her hand to touch the elephant's forehead. ता forehead ता धोइला, हैला. It turned away from her and walked up the road to a low hill where a palmyra tree stood. हैला, से हेतु turned away, से बुलिला एवं गला को जाए गोटे palmyra tree थिला. There it stopped, सेठी रहिला and stood still under the tree. सेठी छिड़ा ହେଇକି रहिला. It was not afraid when Aryahati walked up and tied one end of her rope to the palmyra tree and the other end to its foot. से भी देखी से बांधिला, ये किसी कहला, हैला, elephant. If it had wanted to, बुझिपारछ, but it was tired of running now. If it had wanted to, the elephant could have broken the rope. जदि से चाहि जांदा भांगी दिथंदा rope टा, but it was tired of running now. So, but it was tired of running now. वर्तमान से आउ दौड़िया को चाहुनी, लोकों को हैरान करिया को चाहुनी, हैला. So he is tired of. चाहे दिले भांगी दी था, rope टा छिड़े था. The grandfather took a last bite of his mango and tossed it into the bushes. बुझिपारल, तापरे एटा फोपाड़ी देला. टॉस माने फोपाड़ी देला, बुझिपारछ. से जो अल्प टिके रहला ताको फोपाड़ी देला. What happened then? Asked the girl. Edu pacharla girl ta. Well, no one came back to untie the elephant. Aryahati went home, but it turned out that Bhelapanikar had passed away during the night, and then she herself died of grief. No one came back to untie. Ke asilen taku untie kare. खोलिया ऑन टाइम माने खोलिया आर्य हाथी वेंट होम से भी घर को पळेला बट इट टर्न्ड आउट दैट किंतु एया फल हला टर्न्ड आउट माने कोन फल हला टर्न्ड आउट परिणति हला कोन हला दैट भेलापानिकर had passed away भेलापानिकर मरिगला से नाइट रे ड्यूरिंग द नाइट and then she herself died of grief तापर ता स्त्री भी मरिगला of grief grief माने दुख रे मरिगला so the elephant was left standing there on the hill so said in the roila that is why there is a mark there बुझल गोटे चिन्ह रही because it waited so patiently for Arya Hathi to come back and on time से अनेक दिन रही से केवे भी आसिलानी ने से एलिफेंट से भी मर गया The girl was quiet. She watched as he lovingly selected another mango from the basket. Okay. So, grandfather आउ गोटे सिलेक्ट कला खाइबा तो से पूरा क्वाइट है कौन शोला तो गर्ल था क्वाइट है रही ऑलराइट देन लेट्स गो होम ही सेड हला मैंगोटा आनिकी से कहला चलो जीवा एंड ही टॉस द मैंगो ओवर टू द पाल्मेरा ट्री आज एन ऑफरिंग एथर पूरा मैंगोटा को से फोपाड़ देला हला एटा मोर पूजा हला एटा मोर प्रसाद दे से हाथ की